Welcome back to Lemon Squirt. Today we'll be making my grandma's banana bread recipe. This is what you'll need. 3 ripe bananas, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of milk with 5 milliliters bicarb, 2 cups of flour, 5 milliliters of baking powder, vanilla essence, 100 grams of nuts chopped and toasted. The first step is to chop 3 bananas. Second step is to cream the bananas, the sugar and the butter together. Now we add the vanilla essence and the flour. Now we pour the batter into a well-greased pan and bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for 1 hour. Now, ready for the oven. Banana bread is done. Now take it out of the pan and let it cool off and enjoy. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button for more notifications and we'll see you next time. Bye!